Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm to show you how to fix Norton VPN not connecting. Norton VPN needs a stable internet connection. Make sure you are connected with good internet, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Sometimes the app just need a refresh. For that, close the Norton 360 completely, reopen it and try connecting the VPN again. Restarting your device clears temporary system issues. If VPN is not working, check for the permission too. For that, go to Settings, tap on General, tap VPN Device Management and make sure Norton VPN is allowed. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.